Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education heni ka sengi balang kala pelaj ka result jungka higher secondary school living certificate ne ka class 12 science but commerce arajar aposau. Usama Sohan batacharji jungka laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School. Ulayo ka Kyrdan Nyngkong ka Hsslc science. Aba ka samla ferry Villa Rishawan jungka Saint Mary Higher Secondary School kalabat ka Kyrdan Nyngkong ka commerce. Ka Hsslc science. Usama Sohan ulayo sauspa aprapulai marks. Badiyo distinction hakin riltili subject. Une usamla ulayo ru hadu shispa aka subjek mathematics but physics. Ubawan baar ude Gordon Kupar Nombri junga Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School. Ubayo sauspa hanya penru marks but distinction hakin rituligi subjek. Baru ar meker marpana na Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Ubalawan balai da kabayo sauspa hanya pui marks but distinction hakin rituligi subjek. Haka HSSLC Commerce kasamla ferry Villa Rishawan kalayo sauspa hanya pui marks but distinction hakin rituligi subjek. Kunjuru kan kasamla kalayo shispa mak haka subjek mathematics but accountancy. Kalayo ru kanai pesau hadu shispa mak haka subjek kasi MIL. Ubawan baar udah Rajpol jangka Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Ulawan baar badio sauspa underplay marks but distinction haki riltili subjek. Baru pongkok data jangka laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School. Ulawan balai badio sauspa asan pupra marks but distinction haki riltili subjek.
I was waiting for my results and the link was very slow, the net was very slow. I couldn't see my results as well. And my teacher suddenly called me that you got the first position. So I was shocked, like, how can I get the first position? I did not expect to get any position also, like first position. I was completely shocked. And when I came to school, I saw the environment. It really, I was very happy that I could make my school proud and take the legacy that my seniors started and take the school flag fly high. Future plans is that I want to pursue physics as my major and do BSc, and then after that maybe I'll try for going to the research background in space science. Maybe it will be I have never calculated it, but it's not 10-15 hours, not like that. It's way below that, maybe below 8 hours also, not even 8. So what's my target was not to study for long hours, study few hours such that you get the concept right, because if you can get the concept correct, hours doesn't matter. Yes, I took tuition for physics and chemistry. My teachers always supported me. Whenever I went to them with any doubts or with any questions, they were always ready. They were eagerly ready to help me. So the teachers here are really amazing. They will always help you no matter what happens. Really thankful for them that they helped me so much, and the success behind getting the first position, it's the teachers. They motivated me a lot. Parents, they also helped me. They always kept me motivating that try your best such that you can take the school name forward, you can make your school proud. So that is what I'm very happy that I could keep the expectations. The message is simple: always believe in yourself that you can do it, be dedicated, be disciplined, and always keep a consistency with your studies, because that is what will eventually lead to success.
To be very honest, I'm shocked because I was not expecting it. I was not expecting a position at all. I was hoping for a good result. With God's will, I got a good mark as well as a good position. So yes, I'm very happy with this, and the feeling is just astonishing. From now on, my plan is to go into the world of cyber and computers, because to be very honest, I surround myself with technology every day, and I think the most capable I am today is because of that technology. So I would love to go into that sector. Studies, I don't think before the exam spending 10 hours or burning the midnight oil is good enough, but yes, of course, you need to study. You need to study for more than 5 or 6 hours, because before exams especially, because if you're not doing that, you're in no position to even get a rank. But what matters more than the quantity of time is how you manage and utilize that time. The quality that the amount of information and the quality of information and the data that you get into your head in a small period of time will give a very big boost to your marks. My message to my juniors is simple, that you are study in Lamban Bengali Boys, because here there is a very good environment of teachers. The faculty, the teachers, they're all amazing, they're all fabulous, and one thing I would like to say to the future is that believe in your teachers, because this is what my seniors told me, and I'm passing the message on forward, that once you trust your teachers completely, you have blind faith on your teachers, there's no way, there's no stopping you from you and the rank.